until you have had the taste of finishing. You will not respect yourself until you follow through, until something is done. Tears and struggles and pain, and you go through it anyway. And you show up and you continue to fight on, no matter the circumstances. After a while something begins to wither inside of you. Every champion has felt it, every president has felt it, every king has felt it, every lion has felt it, every winner has felt it, every soldier has felt it, every victorious person has felt it, the urge to quit. Don't you give up on your dream. I don't care if you don't have the money, you don't have the help, and you don't have the family for it, and you don't have the background for it, and you don't have the friends for it. Don't you give up on your dream. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. It may take you twice as long. You may have to take courses and classes. You might not read as fast. You might not move as quick. You might not have as much. But don't you quit. Don't you quit. Don't you quit. You do make a difference. You do make a difference. You do make a difference. As weak as you are, as tired as you are, as many mistakes as you may, you do make a difference. There is something they would lose if you were not there. There was something that they would miss if you were not there. You do make a difference. You do make a difference. I would rather aim for the stars and not hit them than to not aim at all. I would rather go after it and not get it than not go after it at all. I'd rather try and fail than not try at all. I don't want to live with the idea. Wonder what would have happened had I done more with my life. I'm gonna go for it, come hell or have water. I'm going after my destiny. I lost a lot of stuff. I lost a lot of friends. I lost a lot of strength. I lost a lot of courage. I lost a lot of time. I lost a lot of money. But I was still believing. Broke I was believing. Lonely I was believing. Betrayed I was believing. You